Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to Supersize Your Business, generally for female entrepreneurs, but I pretty much work with everybody. So today our idiom for Supersize Your Business is keep your eye on the prize. Now this is one that's been around since the Civil Rights Movement especially, but it actually has ties back to biblical times. I think it's Philippians 3:14-21, as well as to the beginning of the 1900s, when it was part of several folk songs. Gospel Plow was the name, also known as Hold On, Keep Your Hand on the Plow. Uh, they're traditional songs that remind us to keep our eye on what is important to us, pay attention to what's important. And the prize was originally, freedom, and that is now used as any kind of prize, any kind of result, any kind of goal that you want to achieve in your life and in your business. So how do we do that? How do we go about keeping our eye on the prize with respect to building and growing and supersizing our business? I can't hear this expression without thinking of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, when the mom in the show says to the little girl Violet, who turns into a blueberry, by the way, which is hilarious. It's one of my favorite parts of the film. Keep your eye on the prize, Violet. Keep your eye on the prize. And Violet turns violet by turning into a blueberry. But how do we do this for our business? There's lots of different ways, right? We set goals. We have vision. We have a mission. We have a purpose. We ask ourselves our why. Why are we doing the things that we're doing? And we make sure that our core values and our principles all are moving us toward what it is we're trying to create with our business. Love to know how you do this. Have you heard this expression? Do you use this expression? I've definitely used it with my kids. I've definitely used it with my ex-significant other. I've definitely used it on myself to remind myself to focus on the end game, focus on what's important, not necessarily how you get there, although the how you get there should match your core values and principles as an individual as well as an organization. Just my thoughts on the matter. Like anything else, it's up to you to decide what things mean to you. And that's what this particular segment is all about. Thinking about things that you might not normally think about and how they apply to you and how you build and grow your business and how you show up in the world. That's it. Have an awesome day. If I can help in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how could you think about it, see it, or use it to grow and build and supersize your business? Have an awesome day.